This edition of MacVoices is brought to you by TextExpander by Smile, my most used productivity utility. Find out more and download a free demo at textexpander.com. MacVoices is at CES Unveiled in Las Vegas. I'm Chuck Joyner. Folks, we wanted to stop by Fasetto, the very first thing here at Unveiled, because we recorded an interview with them last year and we had an equipment failure and we lost the interview. So I'm here to make it up this time. Steve is here from Fasetto to tell us about their software solution, Forum. Steve, It's good to see you.
Thank you very much for having us.
So tell us about Forum again, because we heard about it last year, but we lost it.
No problem. So Forum is it's an app that allows you to wirelessly share your presentation to every single device in the room without the internet. So that's perfect for salespeople, or literally anyone who does any kind of presentation. So let's just say, for instance, you are a professor. Every single student in that entire audience is able to, see their presentation, right on their own phone, whether it be a laptop, cell phone, doesn't matter. It can go to any single device that has a web browser. So again, not only does everybody have a virtual front row seat, they can also interact with you. How many large presentations have we been to where, when it comes to Q&A time, maybe 4 people out of 200 get to ask that question? Now, every single person in that entire audience is able to ask questions, they're able to answer polls, they're able to answer quizzes, they're able to download content. So if you were a professor, for instance, you could put your thesis in there, or all sorts of different study materials, videos you want them to watch, any kind of downloadable content, you can put it in the presentation. It's all pre-baked and ready to go. You go up there and have an amazing presentation, and if you're a sales rep, let's go into that one. You walk into somebody else's boardroom, you don't have a HDMI cable that's long enough, or you got the wrong dongle, or the projection screen doesn't even work. So now, you're gonna have to take your laptop, have everybody huddle around real quick, and just have the presentation like that. Or, you just tell everybody, all right, go ahead and take out your cell phones real quick, or laptops, whatever you guys have on you, and we'll do this whole presentation right here, right now. So you could be in an airport, you could be in a boardroom, you could be a professor, with a whole bunch of students in front of them, doesn't matter. This is built for any kind of presentation, anywhere, at any time. Again, doesn't require the internet. So how it works, that's what you're wondering. Or actually, you have any questions?
Yeah, that's the first question is, how does it work? Are we setting up a local network of any kind? Or?
Right. So you can do it in 2 different ways. So one, Forum spins up its own hotspot using the Wi-Fi chip inside your laptop to if you want to do a small meeting, let's say you got like 10 people in there or less. That's the perfect way to do it. You don't have to worry about any kind of networking or anything. If you wanted like a large network, or you got like 200 people in the audience, something like that, all you need is a decent-sized router that can spin up a Wi-Fi large enough, and then, because that's how, when we do like a large presentation, something like that, we just put out, I think it's LG Dream or something like that, I forget the name of that little router, but it can reach up to like 200 people. You just put out one little router, boom, the whole entire audience is able to interact with you, see your presentation, so no matter how far in the back they are, they're able to answer, they're able to ask questions, all that different kind of stuff.
So a lot of questions here. I think a lot of us have used the apps that let you answer polls and all, but I like this. This sounds like it's a bit more interactive,
right?
Which can be a very good thing, but it also can be distracting if I'm the presenter. So is there a way for me to be the presenter and then have you as my wingman that's answering those questions or queuing them up or developing it?
I mean, you can also set it up any way you want. So you could either have an assistant off stage helping answer these questions, or because not only can you present to multiple devices, you can also present from multiple devices. Did I say that twice?
I heard you said it right. Yeah. I know what you mean.
Instead of that, you can present to audiences, but you can also present to multiple presenting devices. There we go. That's a better way to say it. So you could have, like when I do a presentation, I just use my cell phone, because I can use my cell phone as my clicker. I can use my cell phone to look at my notes. I can use my cell phone to do all that different stuff right from my hand. I can walk around on stage. I don't have to be standing by my laptop or anything like that. What was the question again?
So we're talking about laptops here.
Yes.
But we also have options for phones, tablets.
So what you need is a laptop to actually download the app onto. But from there, you can control it with any other device. So you can shoot it over to your phone, you can shoot it over to a laptop or another tablet or something like that. But it has to be based off of a laptop or a computer. Right.
What kind of pricing are we talking about for this?
It's just $10 a month. Well, starting $10 a month. And that's for up to 10 audience members. If you want more, it just increases over that. But yeah, it just starts out at $10 a month.
Now, is this a contract basis, or how am I doing this, or is it a month by month?
It's month by month, just month by month. So if you wanted to just have one meeting and you wanted to check out this solution, it's only $10. You try it, you like it, and then you just keep going from there.
That's really nice because that means for an annual meeting or whatever I do once a year, I can invoke this for a month maybe to train, another month to do it, and then wait until next year.
Exactly. Right. But I think once you try it, you might use it for all your business meetings, for anything you want. Because not only, one more thing. So not only can you share a presentation, like a pre-baked presentation, you can also screen share just simply whatever's on your screen. Do you mind if I just kind of show you guys real quick?
No, by all means, please.
Sure. So right here, this here is just showing a normal like PowerPoint presentation. You click next, and everybody's screens click over. Or, I forgot I put a poll on this. So right now, everyone in the audience has to answer a poll real quick, and then all that data comes in real time, so you can see all the polling stats and stuff like that. But let's click over to screen sharing real quick, and I'll show you how we can just literally share anything that's on the screen. So if you got a video or something else, you just share it to your entire audience. It's going to take a second for the actual screen sharing portion to warm up. It takes like, I think 20 seconds or something like that.
I like you even have a message that says warming up.
Correct. So once it's starting, we'll just hit go live. And now whatever is on my screen, it's got about a second and a half. Well, not. Give it a second. Come on, buddy, wake up. That might just be the tablets themselves just being slow. But as you can see, you're able to share whatever's on your screen at that very moment. You can kind of see the distance it takes to go around.
Oh, and of course, we're in a little more of a hostile environment than most of the time you would.
We are in a hostile environment. There are a lot of different Wi-Fis that are trying to interact or compete with us. At the same time, this is also version 1. Releasing in less than a couple months from now is version 2. Version 2 is extremely fast. You can do a lot more stuff. You have even more features, but we'll wait to talk about that at a different time.
Sounds good. So version 1's now $10 a month. What's the website?
Fasetto.com. Just go to Fasetto.com. You can download it from there. You can watch videos about it and check it all out. And again, for only $10 a month, it's a pretty easy try.
Exactly. It's hard to argue. Steve, thanks so much for the time. It's great to see you, and this time we got it.
Okay. Thank you so much for having us.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Folks,
sorry.
One more.
I'm going to add one more thing. We're really excited because CES gave us the Innovation Award this year. And they haven't come by with the trophy, so I'm disappointed to say I can't show it to you. But yeah, that is something that we're really excited about. It's the fact that we won the actual Innovation Award this year.
Oh yeah, and to do that with this kind of competition is something.
Right, exactly. We're very proud of that.
Good job. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Folks, more from Unveiled at CES in Las Vegas. Thanks for watching. Visit MacVoices.com for show notes and to connect with Chuck on social media. Get involved in our Facebook group or like our Facebook page, and get more out of your Apple tech with MacVoices magazine, free on Flipboard and on the web. And if you find value in it all, consider supporting us through either our Patreon campaign at patreon.com/MacVoices or by making a one-time donation via the PayPal link on our front page and in the show notes of each episode. You will join these fine people who help bring you Mac Voices. Advertising handled by Backbeat Media at backbeatmedia.com. Bandwidth provided by CacheFly at cachefly.com.